Hello friend, welcome to Around the World Reviews YouTube channel. This video discusses about but 14 cheap yet highly rated Tokyo hotels to enjoy luxury without breaking the bank. So let's start my video. 14 cheap yet highly rated Tokyo hotels to enjoy luxury without breaking the bank. Tokyo, Japan, bustling capital city, has a unique blend of modern and traditional elements that make it an existing place to explore despite being one of Asia's most expensive travel destinations. Travelers who want to spend days in Tokyo trying to new things can do so while staying at Tokyo cheap yet highly rated hotels. Spending less one accommodation allows tourists to allocate their budget to exciting excursions, sampling various street food and other experiences that are hard to find in other cities in Japan. Life capsule hotels which are unique and budget friendly. These affordable resorts allow vacationers to enjoy luxury without breaking the bank. Fortunately, despite being cheap, the hotels offer exceptional customer service and is an incredible array of useful amenities. Check out these 14 best budget hotels in Tokyo, perfect for anyone on a shoestring budget. Tokyo Bay Tokyo Hotel. With over 7,000 reviews of kayak and exceptional rating of 9.0 open publication, Tokyo Bay Tokyo Hotel has a reputation for offering the best without requiring guests to break the bank. Unlike most affordable hotels in Tokyo, set in bustling street, the resort is situated on the magnificent shores of Tokyo Bay. Visitors soak in dramatic views from their well-priced rooms available in different design and size. Tourists dine and attend business meeting with a view thanks to the resort's facilities overlooking the beautiful bay. What's more, this hotel is kid-friendly, making it convenient choice for families. Tobu Hotel, Levant, Tokyo. Tobu Hotel, Levant, Tokyo proves that some of the best budget hotels in Tokyo can also come with vibrant city views. The hotel's ideal location is Sumida City, gives adventurers easy access to some of the most iconic and Instagram-worthy spots in Tokyo. To snap a pic, better yet, guests enjoy stunning city views from their rooms ranging from standard to suites, with the latter being ideal for those who have extra money to spare. What gives the suites a winning advantage is that they accommodate up to six guests, making them ideal for traveling friends. Park Hotel Tokyo. Park Hotel Tokyo is an affordable yet highly rated hotel conveniently located in Tokyo and within a 15 minutes walk of the Ginza Graphic Gallery. The hotel features polished room and suite with modern amenities, color coordinated curtain and bed cover, and private bathroom with 10 premium aromatic wood collection. Additionally, the hotel incorporates art into its serene space by having vibrant murals on the walls of all guest rooms on the artist floor. After walking up to breaking city views, guests enjoy an American breakfast at the art color dining areas in the museum like atmosphere. One a Tokyo. I stay one Tokyo hotel puts visitors a few minutes away from the massive Tokyo Skytree, Sumida Aquarium, and the Ocean Metro Station. Guest rest easy in industrial chic rooms with impressive acid washed metal and reclaimed wood details. Shows thought each guest room has a unique personality and style. They all feature sleek walk-in showers, available boxes and mini bars, but the library should stand out with its minimalistic and wooden library. This suite has an amenity box with everything a traveler needs for a comfortable stay, such as hair and body essential and green tea. Tokyo Stay Shinjuku. Tokyo Stay Shinjuku is a cheap but high-rated hotel in a gleaming tower in the bustling Shinjuku district. The hotel is a few minutes drive to one of the most important religious sites in Tokyo, the Meiji Shrine, among other tourist spots worth visitors this summer. Dedicated to Emperor Meiji, the shrine is a serene oasis offering an intriguing insight into the history and culture of Japan. After a fascinating day at the shrine, guests recharge in the homely and spacious accommodation with fridge, electric kettles, microwaves, and private bathroom with luxury amenities. The Gate Hotel, Asakusa, Caminariman by Hulik. The Gate Hotel's Caminariman offers a relaxing retreat is in its chic rooms, accommodating up to 3 guest travelers. Freshen up in bathroom with rendezvous showers and all natural jammed product. The hotels also offer the 2 private pajamas and pulse mattress from Sambal that guaranteed a restful sleep in the morning. Hotel guests enjoy discounted Western style cuisine. Breakfast is elegant art restaurant and bar as they soak in breathtaking Tokyo sky-tree views, and in the evening B bar offers a private space for guests to unwind as the simple whiskeys, craft cocktail, and delectable wines on a terrace. Sanko in Grand Tokyo, Tokyo. Budget travelers looking to explore Tokyo's bustling city without spending much on accommodation should look no further than this cheap yet highly rated hotel. It is located a few minutes from notable attractions like Tokyo Tower, Shiba Park, Shiba Rikyu Garden, and Zojoji Temple. Most of these attractions for free to visit, so adventurers can still have memorable experience without streaming the budget. After a long days of sightseeing, vacationers relaxing in the hotel, affordable rooms with free Wi-Fi, flat screen TV, and air conditioning. Moxie Tokyo Kinshiko. Located in downtown Tokyo, Moxie Tokyo Kinshiko hotels combine Japanese hospitality with modern amenities to offer an unforgettable stay. This cheap, rare, highly rated Bandek hotel has stylish rooms with a minimalist design that features glass enclosed walk-in showers, comfy bedding, legroom rack, and 50-inch televisions. Guests catch up with friends at the trendy Moxie bar and lounge to enjoy cocktails and tasty bites as they catch up in the communal seating area. On the other hand, night owls grab delicious grab and go food items from the around the clock self-serve deli. Hotel Sunroute Plaza Shinjuku. Hotel Sunjuku's Plaza Shinjuku is an incredible hotel option for tourists seeking comfort, convenience, and excellent service without breaking the bank. Located in Shibuya City, this best value hotel is Tokyo. Boasts renovated rooms available in various designed to meet the needs of different travelers. While they differ in size, all rooms deliver high level comfort and have a necessary amenities for a stress-free stay after a long haul flight. Tourists head to Scenario Spa Shinjuku, available by reservation for pampering and relaxing. Guest season offer facilities include a banquet hall, meeting rooms, western restaurant, and a lounge. Omo 5 Tokyo Otsuga by Hoshino Resorts. Omo 5 Tokyo Okusuka is a crucial and budget-friendly hotel conveniently located in Toshima City, Tokyo, and 3 minutes from Akusa City. Solo travelers, stay in simple single rooms with a safe and flat screen TV, while group tourists retreat in the Yagura rooms, which sleeps up to the 3 guests. The Yagura rooms has a unique Japanese style touch and utilize vertical and wall space by providing storage areas. Additionally, the rooms has tatami mats that encourage guests to remove their shoes and relax in their innovative space. Grand Nikko Tokyo Daiba. Grand Nikko Tokyo Daiba is a waterfront hotel with a seasonal terrace pool, a state-of-the-art fitness center, elegant guest room, and refined restaurant and bar. Guest preference were combined in the tranquil rooms and side with stunning rainbows, bright and bay view. For this traveling with kids, the hotel offers crepes, bed guard, nightwear, sleepers, play mat, and potty seats upon request. But for the memorable dining experience, guests stop by the Teppanyaki Eco restaurant and bar for a taste of mouth-watering steaks for seafood, accompanied by delicious wines. Shiba Park Hotel, set in Tokyo's central business district, is the graceful Shiba Park Hotel, immersing travelers into a luxurious stay at affordable rates. This highly rated hotel is a dream comes true for book lovers with more than 1,500 books about the photography, art, architecture, fiction, and Japanese culture. This hotel has a cozy library lounge with a fireplace where guests lose themselves is a book as an original tube amp. Play soft and soothing music. Besides cozying up with book, visitors satisfy Japanese version or Chinese cuisines craving at the dining restaurant, which also has a kid menu. Q Plaza Hotel, centrally located in Tokyo, in the high-end but affordable Kyo Plaza Hotel, and a 15 minutes drive to the magnificent and famous Imperial Place. Although the inner grounds are not open to the public, tourists enjoy peaceful walk around the Imperial Place or in the Imperial East Gardens. After exploring Tokyo, guests stay in style in warm rooms with minimar and flat screen TVs. However, travelers can upgrade to room with panoramic city view or suite with spacious separate living rooms, some featuring tatami floors. Tokyo Prince Hotel. Tokyo Prince Hotel is a cheap yet high-rated lush urban oasis blending history and elegance to create a classic and calm atmosphere. Ideal for recharging, the hotel offers sophisticated rooms to add suites with modern amenities, catering to solo and group travelers. During the day, guests enjoy lunch at the cafe and bar towers. View terrace, but in the evening, visitors skip wines and the exclusive of spacious outdoor space in the admired gathering Tokyo views. Alternatively, food lovers craving sushi or Japanese cuisine stop by a elegant Shimizu Japanese restaurant. We hope you like the item we recommended and discuss the Travel Health affiliate and sponsor partnership. So we receive a share of the revenue from some of your purchase. This won't affect the price you pay and help us offer the best product recommendation. So guys, आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। मैं मिलता हूँ कोई वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय।